Hi, welcome to my channel. Look at the total devastation of my sunflowers from the wind that was associated with this rain. This one fell completely and crushed some other things. And all those are almost over. Those have really been, I mean, they're still standing, but at least the solo one is up there. Let me show you. And then back here, my sorghum, that one just snapped completely off. See, I don't even know where it came from. Oh, it was this one. Let's go on. I might be able to pull those forward. And then these, that one is on.